Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Your girl is here again with another wonderful review. Today we're talking about IJOY Deep Wave for our goddess braid. If this interests you, please stick by and watch and know more about this. So today I'll be talking about IJOY Deep Wave for our goddess braid, boho braid. A lot of us have been looking for that affordable packet deep wave that will be enough, one pack that will be enough for our hair due to cost of things. So I'm bringing to you now this beautiful product, IJOY Deep Wave. It's a very nice product. I have tried it on my client's wig. It came out so fine. See this boho braid, it does not tangle. It's a very nice texture. A lot of people have been complaining that yeah, the last one you bought it tangles. I think you bought fake. Yes, that is a fake one. A lot of fake are in the market. Just try to meet a genuine vendor that will put you through. IJOY has nothing to do with being tangled. Maybe you mishandled it. My kind advice to you is that if you want to use this IJOY Deep Wave, I would advise you use conditioner and water to detangle it. To give you this beautiful result. Yes, if you don't want to use some conditioner and water, you can use hair cream, much hair cream to detangle it. It's not going to tangle. While plating it, it goes freely. So this IJOY is a very good product. The hair is top notch. It comes in different colors. It comes in different length. You can get at from 10 inches to 24 inches. You can as well get different colors of your choice. For those of you that don't want to use black, you can see ginger color, you can see 27 different colors. You will love it. Just give it a try and thank me later. So guys, I always advise, after making your goddess braid, don't forget to always cover your hair at night. Don't just leave it like normal braid and go to bed. It will scatter. Yes, it will scatter. Always make sure that you take care of your boho braid very well. Take care of it very well. Pamper it. Put it inside net. Cover it. In case of anything that is like that, in case it tangles, always use water, enough water and conditioner, enough conditioner inside your water. Apply it on it and detangle it gently. You are good to go. Don't forget, maintain your hair to give it that lasting look. Don't man over your hair anyhow and expect it to be looking good. Thank you for coming by. If you have watched this point and you find this video so helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you get notified whenever I post a new video.